Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Telegram profile. So if you want to personalize your profile and add a music to it on Telegram, here's how to do it. Open your Telegram app. You have to search for your inbox. Send yourself a message. Just search for your name. My name is Elvis Chibundu on Telegram. So I'm going to search for my name. When you search for that, you are definitely going to see where it says saved message. Click on it. Even though you don't see it, just send someone you know a message. Now what you have to do is to click on the media icon, click on files, and look for the music you want to use in your file manager. Make sure you have downloaded the music in your file manager. Select the music and click on open. I've already done that. I'm not going to upload that again. So what you have to do is to click on the music and the music will start playing. When you click on the music, you're going to see an option that says add to profile. Click on it. The audio will be added to your profile. Now let me go back to my profile. Go to your profile and you're going to see the music up there. So that's how you add a music to your Telegram profile. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.